Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member of PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator of PG Department of Commerce, Fakulty University, Vyasa Bihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA Classes. So friends, आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे द वाइटल 16 टर्म्स मतलब द मीनिंग ऑफ द दिस टर्म्स और मीनिंग्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू द स्टॉक मार्केट्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड टू इन्वेस्ट, मतलब सो दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड टू परचेज द शेयर्स एंड स्टॉक्स and they are interested to invest in the stock market, so definitely they will acquire or they will get the knowledge. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर द सेमिस्टर एग्जामिनेशन, मतलब दैट इज द बीकॉम and it's the mcom, bba, mba, mfc, economics and other related subjects. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दैट इज द phd, pg and UGC NET JRF एग्जामिनेशन फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट एज वेल एज. सो आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर द लेक्चरशिप एग्जामिनेशन लाइक दैट इज द यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल as well as the SSB and PGT for the different state boards. So friends, without delay, let's start आज का discussion one by one the 16 vital terms which are related to the stock market. So friends, it's the part 1, आपको जल्दी मिल जाएगा the part 2. So क्या बात है, so let's start one by one the 16 terms, मतलब the concepts. And so again I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video, and again if you find any mistake with regard to our discussion, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, first one, that is the term which is stock. Stock basically we are talking about, it's known as that is the share. So stock is a security which represents the ownership of a fraction of an issuing company or corporation. So stock is also known as what? The equity. Second one term हम देखेंगे bond. What is the meaning of bond? So bond, it's simply that is the loan amount to a company or to a firm or to a government. So bond is a debt security which represents a loan from an investor to a borrower. So who the borrower may be the government or the corporation, मतलब the company. So governments and the corporation issues the bond to raise the money or fund through the bond in order to meet their financial requirement. So next one हम देखेंगे. So friends, what is IPO? IPO stands for initial public offering. So IPO is a process by which a company sells its share to public for the first time and becoming publicly traded company. So IPO process is also known as or called as what? The going public. So next one हम देखेंगे, what is the meaning of option? So it is a financial contract which gives the buyer the right to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price within a set time frame. आइए फ्रेंड्स, हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ और एग्जांपल्स ऑफ अंडरलाइंग एसेट्स और सिक्योरिटीज. सो दीज आर द स्टॉक्स और इंडेक्सेस और एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड फंड्स एज वेल एज द क्रूड ऑयल. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे मतलब क्या है फ्यूचर्स. सो फ्यूचर्स आर ऑल्सो द फाइनेंशियल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स लाइक द ऑप्शंस वेयर ए बायर बायज एन एसेट और सेलर सेल्स an asset at a predetermined future date or price. So next one देखेंगे मतलब क्या ब्रोकर. So broker is a person or a firm who buys and sells the securities on behalf of a client or the investor for a fee or a commission basis. So broker also acts as a dealer and buys and sells for their own account. The top stock brokers in India, friends, so they are the Angel One, Zerodha, okay, Motilal Oswal, ICICI, that is the direct. So next it's the Sher Khan, Kotak Securities, Angel Broking, Grow, IIFL Securities, Paytm Money, etc. So next one हम देखेंगे बुल मार्केट. सो बुल मार्केट, so it's the image what I have already collected from the Google. So bull market is a market condition in which the prices of the major stock indices are rising. So here the prices are in increasing trend, and it's the favorable to whom? To the investor. So this market is also known as, what is this? The bullish market. Come to the bear market, it's the opposite of a bull market. Here it is a market, or bear market is a market situation when the stock market experiences price declines over a period of time. So here in the bear market the share prices is usually decreased or fall down. So next one हम देखेंगे, usually the bull market is declared when the price of an investment falls at least 20% from its high. So next one हम देखेंगे stock index, or we can say the stock index is also what? The stock market index. So stock index is an index which measures the performance of a stock market or a subset of a stock market. So stock market indexes are example, that is S&P 500, Nasdaq, Nifty 50, that is the Sensex. So these are the stock indexes. So next one हम देखेंगे what is the meaning of Sensex. So Sensex, it stands for, what is this? Full form is that is the stock exchange sensitive index. So Sensex is that is the benchmark, or the benchmark stock market index of India, which represents the performance of the BSEs, that is the Bombay Stock Exchange, 30 largest and most tradable stocks. So it's the meaning of that is the Sensex. So next one हम देखेंगे मतलब क्या है निफ्टी. So निफ्टी it's that is the stands for, what is this? National Stock Exchange 50, and the Nifty is an index which represents the top 50 companies listed on the NSE. NSE, friends, it stands for National Stock Exchange. Is chosen based on the market capitalization and liquidity. Friends, I have already discussed in the previous, that is the banking and the important financial, that is the awareness MCQ, what is the meaning of market capitalization. Kindly go through the posted video. So next one हम देखेंगे what is the meaning of a demat account. So demat account, it stands for, what is this? Dematerialization account. So demat account is one where the securities or the financial instruments like the shares, bonds, mutual fund, etc. are kept in electronic format in order to, that is the for the safety purposes. So next one हम देखेंगे what is the meaning of trading account. So trading account it is an online investment account that investors buy and sell securities like the stock, bond, or future or options. So friends, in another video we will discuss in detail how the demat account will be opened, how the trading account will be opened, and what is the basic difference between demat account and the trading account. In a separate video we will discuss in detail. What is the meaning of volume? Volume means, friends, here the total number of shares bought, मतलब the purchase and sold during a specific period of time in the stock exchange. Any stock exchange, whether the BSE Bombay Stock Exchange or NSE National Stock Exchange. So next one हम देखेंगे intraday trading. So friends, it's intraday trading. We can also call it, हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको, that is the day trading. So this trading is the practice of buying and selling the stocks or other financial instruments within the same trading day. So it's the meaning of intraday trading. So next one हम देखेंगे blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks, friends, what is this? So these stocks are the shares in large and well established companies which are considered as the reliable investment. So here the investor will get constantly what is the return, and also will get back the principal amount. So here, so the blue chip stocks or the blue chip companies are known as the better financial stability and consistent returns and sound financial performance. So the examples of that is the blue chip companies, the Microsoft, Walmart, Coca-Cola, Johnson and Johnson, Unilever, that is the Bharat Petroleum. So friends, so these are all about the vital 16 that is the stock market terms. So friends, I am hopeful that so you have learned a lot. So again, I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So again, I am requesting to all of you, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, kindly share it, kindly you forward it. So before concluding our discussion, so I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming examination. So thanks a lot to all of you.